Creating a comfortable home means managing airflow, temperature, and indoor freshness in a way that feels natural and effortless. Windows play a central role in this balance, and choosing the right style can make a noticeable difference in everyday living. For homeowners in Eagle, casement windows are a smart choice for controlling indoor comfort thanks to their design, performance, and versatility. Excellent airflow for natural comfort. Casement windows are hinged at the side and open outward, allowing them to catch breezes and direct fresh air into the home. Unlike windows that only partially open, casement windows provide wide, unobstructed openings that support strong ventilation. In Eagle houses, this design helps homeowners naturally cool living spaces during mild weather, reducing reliance on mechanical systems and enhancing overall comfort. Tight seals that maintain stable temperatures when closed. Casement windows press firmly against the frame, creating a secure seal. This tight closure prevents unwanted air leaks that can cause drafts or temperature fluctuations. For Eagle homeowners, tighter seals mean indoor temperatures remain more consistent, whether it's warm outside or cooler in the evenings. Energy efficiency that supports comfort by minimizing air leakage. Casement windows help heating and cooling systems operate more efficiently. Improved insulation around the window opening reduces heat transfer and supports stable indoor conditions. In Eagle homes, better energy efficiency leads to comfortable living spaces and reduced energy use throughout the year. Reducing hot and cold spots. Older or poorly sealing windows often create uncomfortable areas near window walls. Casement windows help eliminate these hot and cold spots by sealing tightly and distributing airflow evenly. For Eagle homeowners, this makes rooms more usable and comfortable from wall to wall. Improved indoor air quality. Comfort isn't just about temperature, it's also about air quality. Casement windows allow homeowners to ventilate their homes intentionally, flushing out stale air and indoor pollutants. In Eagle houses, improved ventilation supports a fresher, healthier indoor environment that enhances daily living. Quiet interiors through strong ceiling. Casement windows also contribute to quieter indoor spaces. Their tight seals help block outdoor noise, creating a calmer environment inside the home. For Eagle homeowners, reduced noise adds to overall comfort, especially in living areas and bedrooms. Flexible placement throughout the home. Casement windows work well in a variety of locations, including kitchens, bedrooms, and living rooms. Their crank operation makes them easy to open even in hard-to-reach places. In Eagle houses, this flexibility allows casement windows to improve comfort across multiple rooms. Durable performance for long-term comfort. Modern casement windows are built with durable materials and hardware designed to withstand frequent use and changing weather conditions. For Eagle homeowners, this reliability ensures consistent comfort with minimal maintenance over time. Professional installation enhances comfort. Control. Proper installation is essential for maximizing the comfort benefits of casement windows. Professional installers ensure correct alignment, secure sealing, and smooth operation. In Eagle homes, expert installation ensures casement windows deliver dependable comfort from day one. A comfortable choice for Eagle houses. Casement windows provide a balanced approach to indoor comfort by offering strong ventilation, tight seals, energy efficiency, and noise reduction. Their thoughtful design helps homeowners maintain pleasant indoor conditions throughout the year. For homeowners in Eagle, casement windows are a reliable and effective solution for creating a comfortable, well-balanced living environment.